AI with Alex Merced.
Hey everybody, this is Alex Merced, your favorite neighborhood Lakehouse and AI guy. And in this video, what we want to do is talk about loops and graphs. So again, we're taking more and more sort of to the next level. Okay, so again, we had prompt engineering where you kind of tailored your prompt to get a better response, and that could be augmented with RAG, and you can add more vectors with fine tuning. But once we introduce agentic AI, we start wanting to not just have improve what we get from one response. We want agents to continue acting. We don't want to have to respond after each turn. So with an now, what you have is what's called a long-running agents, where basically it's not one request and you get one response that may have action taken to it. You may have long chains that run for hours of responses, okay, to accomplish a task. But you want to make sure the task is done right. So the first approach is what's referred to as a loop. The idea is you're writing a loop. Now, if you're a programmer, you're very familiar with loops. And essentially a loop is just saying, hey, do this over and over again till you meet certain conditions. Okay, same thing with a prompt. You'd say, hey, this is what I want you to do. This is what the results should look like. Here's how you check if you've done it right. And if you did not do it right, do it again. And you just keep doing it again and again and again until it's done correctly. Okay, it's kind of funny how you're seeing a lot of people rediscover a lot of the principles of programming who weren't programmers as they work with AI. Now, the thing is, that works, but again, you're not going to have just one agent build, like you're going to say, hey, I want you to build this piece of software. This is what it should look like. Here's how you should test it, and just have one agent just kind of spend days working on that. You may want to break that task, especially really long, complicated tasks, up into even more chunks. Okay, and this is where the idea of graphs come in. Okay, so a graph just means taking a bunch of things, nodes, and chaining them together, not as one line, but as many different directions. Okay, so what graph engineering is just saying, you know what, instead of writing one big giant loop to do the whole task, let's break the task into many steps. And each
Learn more with books.